what I'm talking about. What's good, YouTube? Bruce43 here again. Well, for some of you who've noticed, well, you may have noticed that I haven't posted in a while. That's because I had to take my C43 in to get the exhaust completely programmed and coded and just completely installed in my car. I had the physical exhaust taken off of a 2017 C43. I pretty much retrofitted it to my C43. My C43, whoever optioned it before, but why do you get a C43 and get a base model C43, man? Like, so basically, this is what I did, and I'll have the performance exhaust button, which I did not have before. Some of you may not know because I don't think I showed it in my previous videos, but now I do have that option. It sounds better, but only one issue. There's only one issue. The button doesn't completely work yet. So I'm gonna take it back at some point to get that perfectly installed and everything, and coded, and I should be getting it back soon. But yeah, I also added a new mod to my car, so I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. All right, so in this video, I'm gonna be taking you guys through what I've done to the car, what's new, what's not. Also gonna be going on a drive, and that's the new modification I just added to it. To blacked out front grille. At some point I might throw in a blacked out front lip as well from Maxton Designs and add some side skirts just to make it look a little bit more aggressive, but that's what it looks like right now. I'm in love with this grille, man. Just makes it look more aggressive, makes the front stand out. Like, you see that coming and you know it's not a C300. Yeah, not trying to look like a C300, man. But yeah, let me just go back real quick, and then I'm gonna put the old grill somewhere up here, over here, so you guys can see and compare. Yeah, that's what we look like right now, blacked out. I'm gonna be having full control over the flaps here. Right now it's on quiet mode, and it may be stuck on quiet mode until I get it fixed, until I get it completely coded in, but it's better than being on loud mode all the time, man. I'm not trying to disturb anyone, because it gets, at some point it could get too annoying, you know. But yeah, that's the back end. Looking clean, just a little bit dusty, but that's it. And it's got a W204 C63 right here. Yes sir, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, man. Isn't it crazy how every single time I go on drives, I just see some random, catch some random stuff. Yo, shit. Sick. No, I don't have anything done to it yet, just a stock. Just a stage 1. Possibly stage 2, I'm not too sure. But bro, anytime I go on a drive, I'm shooting a YouTube video right now, I see like crazy cars. It's such a coincidence.
If I was you,
yeah.
RS3, I might cat this down plane. I would do it on that.
Oh shit. Send it, send it. Yes sir, that's what I'm talking about, man. Love to see it. Yeah. Man, I gotta go to more car shows. I gotta go to a car show. I've never been to a car show before. This summer, I've been saying that, but I've been busy with work, man. I missed a turn. I should be heading that way. Okay. The torque on the low end on this thing is crazy. I find that you get a more rear wheel drive bias drive. Anytime like I flip it in, I flip the traction control button off. But if I flip it on, or if I turn it off, what am I saying? Like if I turn it back on, my bad, I feel like the car has more pull, like pulls you forward some more. Whew. Just like that. My girl hates that so much. These Michelin all seasons grip so well. That's another C63? What? Hear a pop from it. Jeez. Now I'm getting too excited, man. You gotta tone it down. Gotta tone it down. Whoo! I can't hold it back. Goddamn! Goddamn! Sheesh. Come on, man. You just have to ruin it with the blue brakes. With the blue calipers. My man was flooring it. Jeez. Go. Let's go! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about, man. This car's too sick. Damn, that is fun. That is fun. I've seen two W204 C63s in one day. You guys, I think I've come to a sad conclusion. Come to figure, anytime I go out on a drive with my C43, I see at least one C63. Listen, there's too much pressure, man. Like, you guys should stop this. Like, I'm trying to go for a drive, man, and that C63s everywhere. Not even the W205 ones, the W204 ones. Those things sound crazy. They just sound angry. Those things just sound too angry, man. Like, I'm trying to go on a drive, peaceful drive, a nice peaceful drive where I film my POV shots, and I'm getting bullied on the road for no reason. That's all jokes though. I love seeing those cars. You don't see too many of them around anymore, and I feel like most people try to buy them and collect them overall, just because it's starting to fade out, especially the older AMGs. Like summertime, you see them here and there, see them around in car shows, car meets, but you can't. It's a rear wheel drive car. You can't really daily that. Like, you could only drive in the summertime anyway. But yeah, I tell you, I'm just trying to go for a drive, peaceful drive, man. Everyone's got a V8. Everyone around me's got a V8. All right, guys. So that's gonna be it for the video. If you made it this far, I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate you for tuning in and keeping up with my content. I know it can be easy to take time out of your day to watch YouTube videos, silly old YouTube videos. All jokes aside, appreciate you guys for watching and tuning in. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you click the notification button as well. Tell a friend and tell a friend. I make car content videos, POV videos of cars. What else? Yeah, just stay tuned and stay on this journey with me. Appreciate y'all.